With MyGEHealthCare, you can easily communicate with your GE Healthcare account team and monitor your entire imaging fleet, complete with analytics and a central hub for total equipment fleet visibility. Personalize your dashboard so you see a streamlined view of service activities and reports. With Equipment 360, you get a visual summary of everything you need to know about your installed base and inventory, including service history, utilization analytics, service coverage, and machine uptime. Easily create service requests and track them every step of the way with the Service Tracker with real-time updates on service activities. View utilization reports by machine, or get a fleet view for a big picture look at your facility's imaging performance, all in easy-to-read graphs. With MyGEHealthCare, you can easily manage service for your entire medical equipment fleet, all in one place.